Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are back here with another, perfect murder mystery video. So let's get started with this video, and I hope you guys like this, and see you in murder mystery. Okay, we are back here. It just feels so good to be in murder mystery, and I am hoping I can get something. I'm hoping I can get heat today or something like that, but I'm hoping I can get something like that. I am always sheriff when I join a server, so let's just go ahead and play some music. Let's play an intro. That goes good with this game. Well, I thought I didn't have the gun. I'm suspicious because this guy, I need a better gun, I know. Huh? I hate when pets do that. Get away, get away, get away, get away, get away, get away. What's she behind me? Oh crap. She scared me. His wings look like a knife, so I'm suspicious. Suspicious of his wings he prefers. If you guys don't know how to do this, it's super easy. Which side's the pizza? I'm in for a mood for pizza. Okay, right here. Or should I be AFK? Acting like AFK. No, the murder wasn't AFK, so he can't be murdered. Either be him. Ooh, he's got professional. Computer man has joined me. He has all kind of this stuff. Let's go. Hey, computer man. Oh, okay, I see the murderer. I thought this guy was. No, that was the other guy that was in the thing in the near the sewers. Please don't jump on my head. I'm watching you. I'm watching you. Why does everyone want to trade me? Oh, okay. You have a good trade. So you have modeling. I'll trade you blue. Oh, that's a bad trade. He doesn't know his values. But right here, this is a bad trade. So guys, please never do a trade like this because he's not gonna accept. Just give me modeling. Yes, that's all I want. All I want is modeling. Thank you. You're the nicest person. So, guys, I was right. This guy is murderer. Yes, shot him. I shot him. I just shot him. Oh my god. I just shot him. Oh my god. Murderer. Okay, so I shot the guy, and he's just like, so my god. So I'm not giving you your knights back. So you gotta go ahead and decline that. So thanks for the modeling. My eye hurts. By the way, guys, both of my parents are sick. It's sad. Yes, both of them are sick. Both of them are sick. Hey, I am recording. Hey, I'm recording. Okay. I have something to say. Come to the meeting room. I have something to say. Come to the. Well, I couldn't say meeting. Get away from me. I have something to say. I said I spelled have wrong. Good job. Good job. Someone was the first person to comment on my YouTube channel that they wanted it, so I'm going to go give him Nightblade. So wait. Congratulations to the person who won a free me. Okay. So congratulations to the person who won, I want Frost. Okay, Jesus. Give me a sec, ready? Yes. Congrats to the person who won it. Frost. Who has Frost? Hey, trade me Frost. Hey, watch your words. But the person who won it was LeBron. I want Nightblade, please. My username is Hank Handy 1234. Congratulations! You won a free Nightblade, and I am so happy that you get it because I don't like Nightblade. Yes. So congrats to the person who won it, and I'm just like so excited. I'm trying to get So you have nothing that's worth my god lose. I'll trade you Hello for Frost. Frost, I don't want that crappy stuff. Give me a Frost. Give me Frost. I want Frost. Frost. I'll say Frost until you. Okay. Trade Frost. Trade Frost now. Trade Frost now. Yes. Trade Frost. You don't give me Frost? No. I don't want Snowflake. Trade Frost or no deal. No deal. I was so close to getting Luger yesterday, but what was I gonna give him? Snowflake. Okay, he will, that's a bad deal, he will not accept that. I know Computer Man, and he's not gonna do that. He's gonna say, oh, LeBron, that's a bad deal. Hey, bad deal. Except, he's not gonna accept it. But I knew he wasn't gonna accept it, so, yes, so I declined it. Because no one like that will accept like that. But I'll see you when my friends join, probably. So if it's worth Ice Dragon. Duh. No thanks. No thanks. I said no thanks. Yee, la wee. Why does this guy keep trading? Nah. Okay, guys, right now I'm in a trade with the person who I am stuck. Yeah. Okay, hold up. Okay, guys, something happened, but I gotta go back to the thing, so my mom, I know. Maps, am recording. Yeah, he's not replying. But what? Tang. Okay, whatever. He's not. Okay, I guess he doesn't get Ice Night Blade. I have to give it to someone else. Fuck. 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 I guess I'm gonna unfriend him. You don't get Nightblade. You don't get Nightblade. Oh, that's what you get. Oh, he's not getting Nightblade. But I hope you like this video. Subscribe if you're not. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.